Here we have a 1958 Olympia SM3 vintage portable typewriter. My ultimate favorite. I consider it the Mercedes-Benz of typewriters. Very smooth. I'll show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. Here are your margins on the top. You just squeeze and push, and you can put them wherever you want. It's got this switchblade paper tray that extends all the way up. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 to switch from single to double to triple. Flip that switch forward, it'll skip 2. Flip it again, it'll skip 3. We're gonna keep it on single and go to the next line and finish. And as you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a cents in red on the next line. Switch from black to red. There's a blue, white, and a red dial, and you just flip it down to red. Beautiful typing machine. My absolute favorite. The only typewriters that I hear are better than this are Hermes or Hermes, however you want to pronounce it. But I never get those, they're too expensive. So I would use the Olympia if I was a daily typer. To pull the paper out easy, you flip this switch forward, pulls right out. Make sure you flip it back when you're done, or else you won't be able to feed paper correctly. Switch this back down, switches down like that. It's got a backspace on the right side there. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock. To clear it, you just hit the shift button again. It's got a tab function to set the tabs. Right back here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and you just push them and move them like that. And it'll stop at each one of those tabs when you hit the tab button like that. This is how the switchblade works. Pretty cool. Show you how to use the tab from the front here. That works good. Margin release, MR. So you get to the end of the margin. Mechanism stops you from typing, but you need to finish a word, so you hit the MR button. It'll allow you to keep typing and finishing that word. And flip this back up to black so we have it at the default. And it has a carriage release on this side only. There's none on the left side. That's all you need. Now available now on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.